This video is called Things I Love. So far in my apartment I've only organised my bathroom, which I am walking towards. In my bathroom I love my shower curtain. I love my suction containers on the wall. I have one for my toothbrush and for my cosmetic brushes and for my hairbrushes. I have hooks for my hairdryer that if it was to fall down, it would fall into my laundry basket. I love my shoes. I have a wall of drawers for my shoes, so when I sit on my toilet, I can look at my shoes and decide that I want to wear my purple ones, which are too uncomfortable to wear, or my bracelets. I have a drawer for eyeshadows, a drawer for blush, a drawer for lipstick, a drawer for sunglasses and goggles. I have a drawer for my clutches and space for my spare towels. I love my drawers so much that underneath my IKEA mirror I have secret drawers for my hair straightener, and that's empty. So, things I love my bathroom.